At 18:51 and 40 minutes on the 18th of June 2020.
My Lord, the vehicle switched off at 18:53:54 on the 18th of the 6th near Mari Street, Vervoer Park in Ekurhuleni. The location I'll show. It's a filling station. Looks like engine Kritzinger filling station, my Lord.
Filling station ga engine.
The vehicle was there from 1853 till 1915, odd 20 minutes, where the vehicle started at 1915.
Imoto ifike laphayana ngo-1853 yama laphayana kufikela ngo-1915 kulayo ukuthi yadunyiswa khona.
With the vehicle remaining there, either having its ignition on or switching off its ignition, or just having its ignition on, excess idling, most likely either to charge a phone from the cigarette lighter socket, or to create some heat, my Lord. And the vehicle remained at such premises on the 18th till 11:27 that evening, my Lord, when the ignition was off, and that is the last recording of data for the 18th on this vehicle, my Lord.
Imoto ke khona nge-18 ehamba khona lapho kulelo garage kufikela kuze kushaye imizuzu e-13 ngaphambi kwehora les-12 kulayo ukuthi mhlawumbe leyo moto leyo yayikade ilibe lidunyiswa, mhlawumbe umuntu obeka eshayela beka-charger ifoni noma bekade efudumeza imoto ukuthi afudumale naye ngaphakathi emotweni.
Was the car at the forecourt or near the engine garage?
My Lord, if we look at the images, it was in the vicinity. It looks like parking areas or something on the side here.
Umasibuka umfanekiso la kubovu khona uthi imoto naya imile bekadime laphayana ngaseparking.
Is it on the premises of the engine garage?
That is on the premises of the garage.
Bekadise parking yakhona laphayana egarage ye-engine.
And that is the data for the 18th. The next date I have been given, my Lord, was the 19th of June 2020.
Kuphelele lapho nge-18 manje ke sesizongena kudaba la nge-19 ukuthi imoto ihambe phi kwayenzakalani.
My Lord, on this particular day, at 14 minutes past 12, so it's still pretty dark, the vehicle shows a start-up just after 12 o'clock, 14 minutes in fact, and as can be seen on the screen, this vehicle is still at the same location where it was the previous evening.
Imizuzu el-14 ngemva kwehora ngemva bo-12 ebusuku kula kubonakala imoto ibekade isase laphayana kuyo leyo ndawo yasegarage.
My Lord, once the vehicle started, it proceeded to the Albertina. Oh, no, that's not the Albertina. My apologies. To the Eastern Bypass, also known as the N3,
kulapho ikuthi imoto iye yabonakala ke iya ku N3 emgaqweni.
The vehicle crossed the intersection with the N17 and it turned towards the N12, passing Alberton.
Yeqa ke imoto ngale iya ku N12 yodlula futhi ne N12,
passing the R59, proceeding past Oakdean and the Glen.
idlula iR59 idlula nase Oakdean.
And then at 12:33, just past midnight, half past midnight, the vehicle took the off-ramp at Xavier Street.
Mizuzu emashumi amathathu ngemva kwehora leshumi nambini ebusuku uthi kula imoto iye yabonakala isemgaqweni eXavier.
Proceeded west on Rifle Range Road
yaqhubeka ke yaya ngasentshonalanga kulomgwaqo iRifle Road
and went to Ayrton, my lord. The address we've seen previously, 9 Gibbon Avenue in Ayrton, SAP's premises.
yaqhubeka njalo yaya eAyrton umgwaqo iGibbon number 9 la kubonakalisa ukuthi bekade kusesiphoyiseni.
The vehicle arriving there at 38 minutes past 12, my lord.
yafika yona ngemva kwemizuzu emashumi amathathu nesishagalolembini ebusuku.
And the vehicle remaining there till almost 10:02 at 12:47. So it was there for just about 9 minutes at the premises in Guy Gibson Avenue, and then it left.
ihleli khona lapho imoto imizuzu nje eyishagalolunye kufikela ize ihamba.
The vehicle proceeded onto the western bypass.
yaqhubeka ke imoto ilibele iya ngasentshonalanga.
Also known as the N1 at this point in time,
umgwaqo loyo wabonakala kuyi N1
passing Maresburg Road,
idlula ngaseMaritzburg
passing Randburg,
idlula ngaseRandburg
and joining the N1 South again at N1 North, apologies my lord, towards Midrand at the Clue.
iqhubeka ke yona iyongena kumgwaqo N1 iya ngase Midrand ngase Batlu.
The vehicle proceeded passing Midrand, passing Centurion, going into Pretoria via Fountain Circle, my lord.
iqhubeke njalo imoto idlula uCenturion idlula iMidrand ize ingena ePretoria ihamba ngale ngakwi sivinini sase Fountain.
And the vehicle proceeding towards Benfield Street in Pretoria, a previous location known to us at this point, my lord, which will be the Pretoria North Police Station.
yona ke yaqhubeka yaze yafika eBelfast emgaqweni la ePretoria North indawo esiyazi njengesiphoyisa sala ePretoria North.
The vehicle being in the vicinity of, it did not switch its ignition off, it remained on. But the vehicle was at the Pretoria North Police Station at round about 1:45 in the early morning of the 19th of June 2020, my lord.
ayizange icime ke imoto njengoba bekade seyifikile esiphoyiseni sasePretoria. yona ifike imizuzu elishumi nanhlanu ngaphambi kwehora lesibini ntathakusa ilibele ilapho.
There's an entry from Pretoria North Police Station on the 19th of June 2020 at 02:30. Reading investigation back, Sergeant Mokhane of National Court Case Unit Group back 1 male suspect of murder, Bongani Ntanzi. What is your comment regarding the time?
My lord, at that time, the vehicle was at the police station and the ignition was in fact switched off at 2:30.
njengoba kubhalwe laphayana ukuthi usajeni umkhane ubekade ebuyisa ubongani Ntanzi ngaleso sikhathi ngo2:30 uthi uyavuma ngoba ibikade ibonisa imoto laphayana ukuthi iqinyiwe futhi ikhona laphaya epolice station.
My Lord, the vehicle was at the Pretoria North SAPS facility till around about 18 minutes to 3.
Ibe khona laphayana esiphoyiseni imoto leyana kufikela isikhathi uma kushaya imizuzu eyishumi ngaphambi kwehora lesithathu ntathakusa.
The vehicle then left the area.
Iye yasuka ke kuleyo ndawo,
and at 3:03 the vehicle switched off its ignition in West Street.
Ngemva kwemizuzu emithathu ngemva kwehora lesithathu ntathakusa imoto kula iye yaqishwa khona kumgwaqo uwest.
My Lord, just checking the location of the vehicle. That looks like a residential area, my Lord.
Ibonakalisa la kubovu khona ingathi bekade sendaweni ethize la kuhlala abantu.
The vehicle remained at this particular location in West Street, Pretoria North, my Lord, till 19 minutes past 4.
Leyo moto iye yama khona lapho kufikela imizuzu eyishumi nesishagalolunye ngemva kwehora lesine.
Where the vehicle was moved slightly and just on the other side of the street and then switched off again, and at 4:26 the vehicle was started again.
Kulayi ukuthi imoto yasuswa la iswa ngapha ngasemjaqweni yeqa nje umgaqo kancane bese ngemva kwalokho kulayi ukuthi imoto iye yakhanyiswa futhi.
My Lord, the vehicle then at 4:26 on the morning of the 19th of June left the premises in West Street and went back to the Pretoria North Police Station, being stationary there at 4:45.
Uma ke imizuzu kungamashumi amabini nesithupha ngemva kwehora lesine iye yasuka ke imoto yona yafika yayoma laphayana esiphoyiseni isikhathi uma kusele imizuzu elishumi ngaphambi kwehora lesihlanu.
The vehicle remained in the area of the Pretoria North Police Station till just after 5, my Lord, when the vehicle was recorded moving away from the police station at 5:02.
Moto ke ye yamakhona lapho kufikela ize ibonakaliswa ihamba ngemizuzu emibini ngemva kwehora lesihlanu.
There's an entry from the occurrence book of Pretoria North Police Station on the 19th of June 2020 at 04:50. To this effect, prisoner transferred Detective Sergeant Mukhani of National Cold Case Unit with one male suspect of murder, Bongani Ntanzi, to Fort Lawrence Court. What is your comment regarding this?
My Lord, at 04:50, the vehicle is recorded at the Pretoria North Police Station.
Uthi ke manje uthini uma kubhalwe ukuthi isikhathi uma kunemizuzu elishumi ngaphambi kwehora lesihlanu imoto kubonakala laphayana ukuthi iphoyisa liyamthatha uBongani Ntanzi limuyisa Fort Lawrence Police Station. Uthi kuyabonakala nala ukuthi imoto ibonakele iduma ngaleso sikhathi.
As said at 5:02, my Lord, the vehicle proceeded away from the police station.
Njengoba bese sengishilo ukuthi imizuzu emibini ngemva kwehora lesihlanu kula imoto iye yaqhubeka ishayela.
Where the vehicle proceeded through Pretoria back onto the Ben Schoeman Highway, which becomes the N1
iye yaqhubeka ke imoto ishayelwa kusukela ePretoria iyongena umgwaqo uFumana oyikuthi ubizwa uN1
proceeding past Centurion,
idlula ke eCenturion
moving through Betlu onto the M1, the Mike 1,
ihamba ke laphayana ize iyofika eBatlu isehamba kuM1.
The vehicle proceeded along the M1, passing the M2 and moving along the M1 further south.
iqhubekile khona lapho ihamba kuM1 idlula kuM2 futhi iqhubeka iya ngasentshona ngasemzansi.
The vehicle then left the M1 and proceeded along the N12 west.
Yona iye yaqhubeka ke leyo moto yaqhubeka yaya kuN12 ngasentshona lapho.
But the vehicle joining or just before joining the N1, it left the M12 of the N12 south. It left the N12 west and got onto Chris Hani Road.
Yona ke njengoba beyilibele ihamba laphayana kuN12 iye yaphuma kuN12 ingena kumgwaqo uChris Hani.
The vehicle proceeded along Chris Hani up to 556.
Iqhubeke njalo khona kulowo mgwaqo uChris Hani kufikela kusale imizuzu emine ngaphambi kwehora lesithupha.
Where the vehicle reached a traffic circle and the GPS went unlocked for a period of 10 minutes, my lord.
Kula ukuthi yona iye yafika kwisekela la iye yabhalwa uGPS unlocked. Yona logo GPS unlocked ithathe imizuzu eyishumi.
During the GPS unlock time, my lord, I cannot say whether the vehicle was moving or not, as I cannot attain speed.
Uthi ke njengoba ibhalwe uGPS unlocked kanjalo mina angikwazi ukuthi leyo moto yayikade ihamba noma cha ngoba angiboni ukuthi isivinini sakhona besihamba kanjani.
At 14 minutes past 6, the vehicle was recording speed again, my lord, still travelling on Chris Hani Road.
Seyishumi nane imizuzu ngemva kwehora lesithupha imoto iyabonakala libele iqhubeka ihamba khona laphayana kumgwaqo uChris Hani.
With the vehicle becoming stationary at around 20 minutes past 6, my lord.
Ibonakele seyimile ke ngemva kwemizuzu emashumi amabini emveni kwehora lesithupha.
And the ignition being switched off.
Yona ke yacinywa.
And where was that?
My lord, that is at the Maroka police station, my lord.
La kubovu khona ibonisa ukuthi ime eMroka police station.
And the vehicle remained at the Maroka police station from the time it switched off its ignition at 6:46 till 8:12 on the same day, my lord.
Yona ke imoto imile khona lapho eMroka police station kufikela isikhathi uma kuyimizuzu e12 ngemva kwehora lesishaka lombini.
At 12 minutes past 8 on the morning of the 19th of June, my lord, this vehicle started and had its ignition on for a while, off, excess idling, but remained at such premises till 11:59, so just before midday.
Leo moto yayikade ilibele idunyiswa icinywa khona lapho kufikela isikhathi kuba umzuzu owodwa ngaphambi kwehora les12.
At 12, the vehicle was recorded leaving the Maroka police station, my lord, travelling back on Chris Hani Road.
Uma sekuyihora les12 kula ibonakala imoto isuka ingena kumgwaqo uChris Hani.
Leaving Chris Hani, getting back onto the N12 East.
Ihamba ke ingena ku N12.
The vehicle proceeded along the N12
yaqhubeka ke ku N12,
and at the Elands interchange the vehicle proceeded onto the N3 South.
la ku Elands interchange kulayi ukuthi imoto iyangena ku N3 South.
The vehicle proceeded along the N3 South, my lord,
iqhubeke njalo ku N3 South,
again leaving the N3 at Berry, also referred to as Vredebos.
iphuma ke iseyiqhezuka ingena ku Berry eseyikuthi iyaziwa futhi njenge Vredefors.
The vehicle proceeded, and at 12:26 the vehicle is recorded stationary near Beerman Road, a location we previously identified, my lord.
Futhi ke yona iye yaqhubeka kulayi ukuthi yama uma isikhathi kusele nje imizuzu emine ukuthi kube ihora le-12 nemizuzu e-13.
Being the Ekurhuleni Metro offices, my lord.
Ima ke kuleya ndawo le esithe kula ema-ofisini wase-Ekurhuleni Metro la kubonakala kubomvu.
With the Forceful Arrest Police Station being right next to it and the vehicle ending up there, my lord.
Kubonakala futhi i-Phosphorus Police Station ikhona khona lapho imoto iphelele lapho.
And the Phosphorus Magistrate Court, is it reflected anywhere there in that
My lord,
vicinity?
I don't think the Forceful Arrest Magistrate Court is. Let me just check. I've reported many places in my life, but I haven't. Yes, it is here.
Uthi ke inkantolo yase-Phosphorus iyabonakala na uthi yebo nayi la ibonakala khona inkantolo yase-Phosphorus.
There's the Forceful Arrest Police, the Magistrate Court, my lord, with the police station being over this side.
La ezungeza khona la ezansi ubonisa ukuthi inkantolo yase-Phosphorus ikhona la.
And where is the vehicle located?
At the Magistrate Court premises, my lord, in this area over here.
Imoto ke yona ime enkantolo yakamantshi yase-Phosphorus.
The vehicle was at the Forceful Arrest Magistrate Court, arriving there at 12:26.
Yona ifike isikhathi besithi 12:26.
And it is recorded that at 4 minutes past 2 on the same day the vehicle started at the Forceful Arrest Court, my lord.
Iqale ukuduma ngemizuzu emine ngemva kwehora lesibini.
And the vehicle proceeded back onto the N3, traveling north.
Iye yaqhubeka ke iya kumgwaqo uN3.
The vehicle then took the Heidelberg off-ramp
Yathatha ke umgwaqo weHeidelberg
and proceeded into, let me just confirm this area, I suspect it to be Alberton. It's one of the suburbs, Raceview in Alberton, my lord, where the vehicle switched off its ignition at 20 past 2.
yaqhubeka ke yangena kwindawo ebizwa iRace View laphayana eAlberton. Isikhathi unganesikhathi icishwa yayikade kusele imizuzu e-25 ngaphambi kwehora lokuqala.
The area being identified as looks like a shopping mall, my lord.
Le ndawo leyo kubonakala ingathi kula kuthengwa khona e-shopping mall.
New Market drive-through. It's an area close to the shopping mall, my lord.
Ibonisa kuyindawo eseduze ne-shopping mall ngoba ibonisa i-New Market drive-through.
There's a Nando's over there in the area where the vehicle stopped.
Kune-Nando's la indawo imoto ime khona.
The vehicle was there for about 16 minutes, my lord, with it again leaving at 14:36.
Imoto ke ime laphayana isikhathi esingalingana nemizuzu eyishumi nesithupha la ukuthi yona iye yaqhubeka idunyiswa futhi isikhathi uma sithi 14:36.
The vehicle remained on in this area and left it around about 15:25.
Yona ke iye yaqhubeka idunyiswa iye yagcina sehamba ngesikhathi uma sithi 15:25.
The vehicle proceeded back to the N12 in a westerly direction.
Kubeke kanjalo yaze yangena kumgwaqo uN12.
Proceeded along the N12, taking the Chris Hani off ramp again.
Kubeke njalo iya khona ku N12 futhi iyathatha umgwaqo kaChris Hani.
Passing the Baragwanath Hospital,
Yadlula esibhedlela seBaragwana.
going back to this location here, my lord. We've had this previously, and stopping there at 16:16, just after 4:15 in the afternoon.
Yona ke iyaya kule ndawo le azoyiveza manje ukuthi iye yama lapho isikhathi uma ima bekuqeda kudlula umzuzu ngemva
Identified as the SAPS Morocco police station, my lord.
iye kule ndawo futhi laphayana esiphoyiseni saseMoroka.
But this vehicle, did it enter Baragwanath Hospital?
My lord, let me confirm for you.
Nkosi yenkantolo yabuza ukuthi eBaragwana iye yangena na uthi ithi ngihlo.
My lord, it shows, and maybe we do this, we can have a better view. It appears as it has left the Chris Hani Road.
Yes.
Then it went GPS unlock, and it was GPS unlock from 15:48 till 16:03, where it has left Baragwanath Hospital already. My lord, if it entered there, it most likely drove through that area, because at 15:58, if we take there, the last time it had a GPS lock, it was over here, this area over here, and
Sorry, and where is that?
that is just as you take the turn off to go into Baragwanath, my lord.
Right.
From Chris Hani Road, you turn left onto the gates. Here's the gates for.
Yeah, I know Baragwanath very, very well.
Uthi ke la imoto ibonakala ikhona kula ijika ngakhona uma seyizothatha lo mgwaqo le iChris Hani bese ke isango lase Baragwanath iyalibonisa nalapho futhi iye yayenza iGPS unlock. Uma ingabe ingenile uthi uyacabanga ukuthi yayikade ishayela idlula phakathi laphayana.
At 15:43, my lord, it was at the gates of Baragwanath, and at 16:03, so that is 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, is it? Yeah, 20 minutes later, it was already there. So it is possible that it could have stopped at that location, my lord.
Uthi ke yona iye yabonakala ukuthi ithatha imizuzu engamashumi amabini ukudlula laphayana, kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe imile laphaya kuleya ndawo.
But given the GPS unlock, my lord, it's pure speculation.
Kodwa njengoba ibhale GPS unlock into ukuthi ngiyayicabangela akusukuthi nginesiqiniseko sayo.
As said, my lord, at 16:16, the vehicle was at the Morocco SAPs.
Njengoba bese sengishilo ukuthi isikhathi uma sesithi 16 kusho ukuthi 16 minutes past 4 kulayo ukuthi imoto
Is it still on the Chris Hani Road?
My Lord,
They call it the old Potchefstroom Road. Passing Baragwana, going down towards the road that dissects Soweto.
yeah, that is Chris Hani Road.
Right.
It's still on Chris Hani Road, my Lord, if there is the name.
Right, go straight right up to, on the embankment, up to Morocco Police Station.
Yeah. There's Baragwana is over here.
Right?
No, over here, my Lord, apologies.
Mm.
There's Baragwana and there's the Morocco Police Station.
manje ke iyabonisa ukuthi iBaragwana yayikade ikuphi futhi iMorocco Police Station naye ikuphi ihamba kuwo lo yamgwaqo lo yani inkosi yenkantolo ithi sibize ngalendlela yayikade ibizwa kudala njenge Old Potchefstroom Road.
Now, from Chris Hani Baragwana Hospital up to Morocco Police Station, did the vehicle go anywhere near Orlando?
I just need to orientate myself where Orlando is.
To go to Orlando, you would have to go right, just after going down Chris Hani, before you get to what we call Goma Street.
Yeah, my Lord, no. That is the vicinity of Chris Hani, Baragwana Hospital.
Right?
The vehicle went straight
To Morocco.
to Morocco. There's no other deviation there, my Lord.
Okay.
Uyabuza ke umshushisi ukuthi imoto kuyabonakala na ukuthi iye yaya eOrlando uma idlula laphayana eChris Hani esibhedlela uthi cha ibonakalisa ukuthi yona iyahamba ize ifike laphaya esikhwayiseni saseMorocco.
The vehicle spent just over 2 hours at the Morocco Police Station, my Lord, where the vehicle left the police or started up at the police station later that evening at 18:28, almost 6:30.
Yona ke leyo moto iye yama laphaya esikhwayiseni saseMorocco isikhathi esingalingana namahora amabini la ukuthi igcine seyikuthi iyaduma futhi uma kusele imizuzu emibini ukuthi kushaye u6:30.
When the vehicle left at 6:30, my Lord, it proceeded back onto Chris Hani Road.
Uma sehamba futhi ngo6:30 iyaqhubeka kuloya mgwaqo futhi uChris Hani.
It made a turn from Chris Hani Road through the neighborhood into Mujaji Street.
Iyaqhubeka ke kulayo ukuthi iye yajika laphayana elokishi ingena kumgwaqo umujaji.
It proceeded doing a bit of a circle route in the neighborhood and going back onto Mujaji and back to Chris Hani Road.
Yona ke iye yaqhubeka ilibele ijikeleza laphayana kuwo umgwaqo umujaji kufikela ize iyongena futhi kumgwaqo uChris Hani.
And it then turned left when it joined Chris Hani Road and went away from the Morocco Police Station along Chris Hani Road.
Yajika ke kusanda sesinayele isuka ihamba iflathela iMorocco Police Station ingena kumgwaqo iChris Hani.
Getting back onto the N12 as Chris Hani Road pretty much joins again with the N12, where it proceeded east back towards the N1.
Yona ke iyangena ke kumgwaqo uN12 isiqhubeka ke iyanga sempumalanga ngase kuN1.
In other words, it goes again away from Baragwana.
Yeah, away. It didn't go back to Baragwana.
Yeah.
As it left the police station, it made a circle route, my Lord, turned left away,
Yeah.
joined the N12, from the N12 back onto the N1 at 19 minutes past 7 that evening, my lord.
ekusho ukuthi ke iseyadlula futhi iyaflathela nayo iBaragwana uthi yebo yaflathela iBaragwana seyingena yona ke uN12 naye ukuthi isikhathi bese sekungama imizuzu eyishumi nesishagalolunye ngemva kwayo ihora leshumi nesishagalolunye 19 after 19.
My lord, the vehicle then proceeded along the N1 all the way past Randburg, joining the N1 south again at the Buklou interchange.
Kubeke njalo indlela yaze yafika ngaseRandburg iyothola umgwaqo iBuklou.
In the vicinity of Centurion, at Centurion, in the vicinity of Centurion, it joined the N1, passing the N4.
Mase seyifika eCenturion kula ukuthi yathatha umgwaqo uN1 idlula uN4.
It then passed the Zambezi toll, Zambezi off-ramp, and it proceeded past towards the N4 leading to Rustenburg.
Yona ke iye yadlula i-toll gate yeZambezi iya ngasemgaqweni manje osisa eRustenburg.
The vehicle stopped then at the garage just adjacent of the Doringpoort toll plaza, my lord.
Yona ke iye yama ke egarage masiqeda kudlula i-toll gate yaseDoringpoort.
That was at 20:15, my lord.
Uma ima lapho bekuyimizuzu eyishumi nanhlanu ngemva kwehora lesishagalombili.
The vehicle was there for 2 minutes in the vicinity.
Ye yama lapho imizuzu emibini kuleyo ndawo.
And then it left that premises at 20:36, my lord, 25 to 9 o'clock that evening.
Yona ke iye yahamba ke kuleyo ndawo ihamba ngemva kokuthi kushaye imizuzu emashumi nantathu nesithupha ngemva kwehora lesishagalombili.
With the vehicle proceeding along the N4, my lord, direction Rustenburg.
Kubeke njalo yona ihamba kumgwaqo okuyisa eBrits ukuya ngaseRustenburg.
The vehicle continued on this N4 and turned into Rustenburg from the highway using the R565.
Kubeke njalo ke umshayeli ayinyathela imoto ilibele iya khona ngasemgaqweni waseRustenburg kulaye ukuthi yona iye yagcina seyikuthi ingena kumgwaqo waseRustenburg uR565.
The vehicle proceeded on the R565.
Iqhubekile ke kuwo lo mgwaqo uR565.
I had a GPS unlocked, my lord, in an area. I'm not familiar with this area, but I can check if Google reveals anything.
Iye yaveza ke uGPS unlock kwindawo engingayazi kodwa ngingakwazi ukuthi ngihlole uma ingabe izangivezela into ethize.
It's close to the Phokeng police station, my lord, so it's in the vicinity of the Phokeng police station.
Ibonisa ukuthi ingaseduze ne-police station yasePhokeng.
And it was in that area at 7 minutes to 10 on the evening of the 19th of June, my Lord.
ifike lapho kuleyo ndawo ke kusele imizuzu eyisikhombisa ukuze kushaye ihora leshume ebusuku.
Can you maybe just zoom in there at 21:53:25 where the vehicle is in relation to the police station?
Kuthiwa ke ake uyinwebe usibonise ukuthi ibikade ibukude kangakanani ne-police station.
My Lord, this is the premises of the police station, and there's buildings over here as well.
Okay. And where is the vehicle?
The vehicle's in this vicinity, over here.
Lapho Zulu ibonisa ukuthi leziya zindlu iyona i-police station, imoto ilanga la kubo khona.
Is it near the police station or is it at the police station?
My Lord, it's if I take the previous position, it is on the perimeter of the police station.
Manje yona ibonakala ila ngase police station.
The GPS unlock is either just in the police station. It looks like a carport, my Lord. So maybe that's the cause of the GPS unlock, the roof over the car.
Lento ke i-GPS unlock ibonisa ukuthi ilaphaya phakathi ejaridini lase police station. Mhlawumbe into eyenza ukuthi ithi GPS unlock ingenxa yokuthi kade kune carport.
And then the vehicle left the police station again, my Lord,
Moto ke yehamba yasuka futhi e-police station
at about 10 minutes past 10 that evening.
isuka ke kusele imizuzu eyishume ukuthi kushaye ihora lesishume nanye.
The vehicle proceeded along route, making its in the general direction of Freedom Park.
Yaqhubeka ke yona indlela isa imoto ngale ngase Freedom Park.
And in Freedom Park, the vehicle switched off, my Lord, at 22:33, just past 10 that evening.
Uma sesifika e-Freedom Park kula ukuthi yaxesha leyo moto uma isikhathi sithi 22:33.
My Lord, the area in Freedom Park looks like a residential area.
Laphayana e-Freedom Park kubonakala ingathi indawo la kuhlala abantu khona.
The vehicle spent a good half an hour there, because at 4 minutes past 11 the same evening it left that premises.
Kubonakala ukuthi imoto laphayana iye yama ke isikhathi esingalingana ne-halofu yehora ngoba ibonakala iseyihamba futhi ngemizuzu emine ngemva kokuthi kushaye ihora leshumi nanye ebusuku.
Leaving that residential area, the vehicle traveled again in the direction of the police station it was earlier.
Yahamba ke imoto ibuyela la bekade ikhona ngase police station.
Arriving at the police station at 26 minutes past 11.
Ifika ke e-police station uma sekushaye imizuzu emashumi amabili nesithupha ngemva kwehora lesishagalolunye.
My Lord, and that is the last movement on this vehicle, the 19th of June.
Kulayi ukuthi imoto iye yahamba yama khona ngaleli langa le-19 zikaJuni.
My Lord, another date given to me would be the 22nd of June.
Linye ilanga ke enganikwa lona ukuthi ngilihlole bekuyilanga le-22 zikaJuni.
Just a minute, you didn't go into the 19th.
Was that not the 19th?
It was the 19th.
Sorry. Sorry, yes, sorry. It's looking at the wrong report.
My Lord, on the 22nd of June,
Sorry, I meant the 20th. Sorry.
that date was not given to me, my Lord, as one of the dates, though I believe I might have it available.
Thike umshushisi awuyanga kuyilanga le-20 zikaJuni. Thike cwepheshe aninginikanga lelo langa kodwa ngingalibheka.
I do in fact have it available, my Lord. My Lord, on the 20th. Can I go?
Yes.
My Lord, on the 20th, that vehicle starts up at 2 minutes past 12 at the police station.
Nge-20 ke leyo moto iyadunyiswa ngemizuzu emibini ngemva kwehora leshumi nambini ebusuku.
And then the vehicle is GPS unlocked for a reason not known to me for some time.
Imoto ke igcina seyenza leyanto futhi ye-GPS unlocked isikhathi esithize.
With the vehicle, the first time I've got a speed on it again, my Lord, was at 3:29 on the morning of the 20th.
Kulayi ukuthi kufikela kushaya umzuzu ngaphambi kokuthi kube u3:30.
At that point, my Lord, the vehicle was on the corner of Rhoqo de Beer and Benfield Street in Pretoria North.
Ngaleso sikhathi imoto yayiseseyifike eRachel de Beer ne Benfield la ePretoria.
Where the vehicle proceeded, passing the police station, where the Pretoria North Police Station, but not being recorded there as stationary.
Kula imoto iyaqhubeka ishayelwa idlula isiphoyisa sasePretoria kodwa ayizange ime esiphoyiseni sasePretoria.
And the vehicle then proceeded just after 3:30 in the morning. It proceeded through Pretoria, past the Fountain Circle, onto the Albertina Sisulu or R21 freeway.
Iyaqhubeka ke imoto ilibele ishayela idlula eFountain yaze yafika kumgwaqo uAlbertina Sisulu highway.
With the vehicle continuing its journey towards Kempton Park, OR Tambo International.
Qhubeka njalo imoto ke idlula iCaptain Park iya ngase OR Tambo,
getting onto the onto the R24 and getting off on the Edenvale off-ramp.
Yona ke iyaqhubeka ingena ku-R24 futhi yagcina seyingene phezukele ngaku Edenvale off-ramp.
It proceeded with the Edenvale off-ramp towards the vicinity of Primrose, my Lord.
Qhubeke njalo khona ku Edenvale off-ramp ukuyofika endaweni ebizwa iPrimrose.
And at 4:30 the morning of the 20th of June, the vehicle stopped near Poppy Road in Primrose.
Mage ishaya imizuzu emashumi amathathu ngemva kwehora lesine iyabonakala isemgaqweni iPoppy khona laphayana ePrimrose.
Location not really, there it is. It's the SAPS Primrose Police Station, my lord.
Khona laphayana kulomgwaqo iPoppy ibonisa ukuthi ibekade isesiphoyiseni sasePrimrose.
There's an entry from the occurrence book of Primrose Police Station at 04:30, reading prisoner received, warrant of Samukwena received, unit SP Bongani Ntanzi. What will your comment be regarding the time?
My lord, that is matches the time of the vehicle being at the police station.
Manje ungathini wena njengoba kubhalwe ukuthi laphayana ePrimrose bayamamukela uBongani Ntanzi ngaso leso sikhathi la uthi imoto iyagcinwa khona ngase police station ePrimrose uthi yebo lokho uhambiselana nalokho engikubona la.
The vehicle then at 20 to 4, 10 minutes after arriving at the police station, my lord, the vehicle started and it left the Primrose police station.
Imoto ke imizuzu emashumi amabili ngemva kwehora yesine kusho ukuthi it was now 20 to 5.
Yeah, 20 to 5.
Kusho ukuthi ngo 20 to 5 yona ibonakala ukuthi iyaduma futhi.
The vehicle then proceeded driving along the M2 onto the M1. From the M1 it went to Eriton. If we look at it here, it was there at the Eriton SAPS facility, but it just went past it and got back onto the M1.
Kubike njalo imoto ke yona ihamba ize yodlula esiphoyiseni sase Eriton ize iyongena kumgwaqo uM1.
The vehicle proceeded past the M2 onto the M1.
Yadlula ke kuM2 yaqhubeka yayongena umgwaqo uM1.
It left the M1 at the Glenove off-ramp, turning into an easterly direction.
Iqhezuke ke kuM1 yona ise ikumgwaqo iGlenhove iya ngase Mpumalanga.
The vehicle proceeded and it went back to a place where we've had it before, my lord, at 5:24, stopping at Greswold in Johannesburg. It is that area where it looks like flats, my lord.
Kubike njalo ke imoto yaze yayoma ke mizuzu uma iseyimashumi amabili nane ngemva kwehora lesihlanu kuleya ndawo ebesikade sithe kuseGreswold emafleti.
My lord, the vehicle arriving there at 5:24, and the first time that vehicle moved from there was later that same day, but in the afternoon at 12:34.
Kubike njalo imoto yama khona lapho. Leya moto ke igcine seyikuthi njengoba ifike ekseni ngo5:24 yona isuke noma iqale ukuduma ngo12:34.
The vehicle proceeded towards the R25, got onto the R25, back onto the R24. From the R24 it went into Bedford View.
Yeah, kubeka ke yangena kumgwaqo R25 yaphuma yangena ku R24 yaya eBedford View,
past the Bruma Lake.
yadlula ke ngasemanzini eBruma.
being in the vicinity of Doringfontein North.
yona yabonakala futhi ngaseDoringfontein.
Then getting onto the M2 in a westerly direction.
Yona ke iyangena ku M2 ibonakala iya ngasentshonalanga.
And then again joining the M1 towards the north.
Yona ke iyaphinda yangena ku M1.
Leaving the M1 at around 15:03.
Yaphuma ke ku M1 uma kushaye imizuzu emithathu ngemva kwehora lesithathu emini.
And stopping near Mint Road in Fortsburg at 3:07 in the afternoon, my lord.
Yona ke yabonakala ima ke emgaqweni uMint laphaya eFortsburg eGoli ngemizuzu eyisikhombisa ngemva kwehora lesithathu.
My lord, the area not really known to me.
Mint Road.
Mint Road,
That's where there is Majestic Theatre, Lyric Theatre, etc., etc.
not.
Yeah, fine. Right. Not far from the Vrededorp.
Okay. And then from the vehicle was there for just a mere 7 minutes, my lord. Whereafter it started at 15:14.
Imoto ke ime khona lapho nje imizuzu eyisikhombisa yaphinda yadunyiswa ngemva kwemizuzu eyisikhombisa.
The vehicle proceeded back onto the. Is that, I just want to confirm it's the M1. Yes. The vehicle then proceeded back onto the M1.
Iye yaqhubeka ke iyangena futhi emgaqweni uM1.
Again, leaving the M1, taking the Johannesburg off-ramp.
Iphuma ke ku M1 ithatha i-off-ramp le yaseJohannesburg.
With the vehicle stopping at 3:27 near Grant Avenue, Norwood.
Yona ke iyama imoto ngo 3:27 Grant Avenue in Norwood.
Lord, looks like a business type area.
Kubonakala ingathi yayime ngasendaweni la kuthengiswa khona.
From there, 5 minutes later, the vehicle then left that premises, proceeded on Grant Road.
Ngemva kwemizuzu emihlanu kulayo ukuthi imoto iye yaqhubeka ke ingena kumgwaqo uGrant,
where the vehicle stopped at the Norwood Mall at 15:39.
yama ke emall wase Norwood ngemva kokuthi isikhathi bekushaye imizuzu ema-39 ngemva kwehora lesithathu.
The vehicle spent around about 15 minutes at the Norwood Mall.
Ime khona lapho kuleyo mall isikhathi esingalingana nemizuzu eyi-15.
After which the vehicle left the area at 15:54, which is about 5 to 4.
Ukuthi iye yaqhubeka ke ihamba imoto uma kusele imizuzu emihlanu ngaphambi kwehora lesine ntambama.
The vehicle then proceeding in the neighborhood and stopping near Waverley Road in Cresswell. Again, back at those residential flat top areas, my lord.
Yona ke iye yaqhubeka ke imoto yaze yama laphayana ngaseduze kwalama flat lawayana nasibiswa chazini.
My lord, the vehicle remained there from just a minute past 4 till 27 minutes to 23 minutes to 11 that evening, when the vehicle started, was switched off again, and it left the area at just after 11:15.
Imoto ke iye yama laphayana uma isikhathi kuqeda ukudlula umzuzu ngemva kwehora lesine, yona igcine seyikuthi libe liyakhanyiswa iyacinywa kufikela ize izokhanyiswa futhi ngemizuzu eyi-14 ngaphambi kwehora les-11.
The vehicle then proceeded, went away and came back, as if it's done a U-turn somewhere, and went back to that area, and that's where the data ends for the 20th of June.
Imoto ke iyahamba yaphinda yabuya yayoma khona la bekade ime khona kula ukuthi iphelele khona nge-20 zika June kunyaka u-2020.
Yes. The next date?
My Lord, the next day given to me was the 22nd.
Ilanga elilandelayo ebamnike lona belilanga lezi-22 zika June.
My Lord, on the 22nd of June, this vehicle did not move. It was stationary near Village Road in Northmead, Ekurhuleni, for the entire day.
Manje ke nge-22 zika June le moto ayizange isuke, ayizange ihambe, yona yayikade ilibele ikule ndawo la ibekade ime khona kusukela ilanga elidlulile.
My Lord, this area is identified as the vicinity of the SAPS Benoni garage.
Futhi ibonisa ukuthi yona ibekade ime garage yamaphoyisa eyaseBinoni.
And the last date given to me, my Lord, was the 24th.
Langa lokugcina ebekade bamnike lona bekuyilanga lezi-24 zika June 2020.
On this day as well, my Lord, the vehicle was still at the same location, being the Benoni garage.
Nangalelo langa le-24 zika June ayizange ihambe imoto, ibonakala ibekade ikhona laphayana esiphoyiseni saseBinoni egarage yakhona.
That's the data that was requested from you.
So, did we do the 16th of June?
The 16th of June we did not. It wasn't one of the dates given, my Lord. But
Did you have the data?
let me check.
Uthi ke silenzile ilanga le-16 zika June. Uthi benginganikwanga lelo langa kodwa ngalibheka.
My Lord, I do have the 16th.
Uthi unalo lelo langa.
So,
Well, look, on the 16th, again, this vehicle is located at the area we now refer to as those flats in Cresswell.
Le-16 ke leyo moto ibonakala ilaphayana eCresswell kule ndawo ebesithe ama-flat.
The vehicle then at 8:24 on the morning of the 16th starts its journey from there.
Ekuseni ke ngeyi-16 yona iqala ukuhamba isikhathi uma sithi 8:24,
with the vehicle proceeding to a location in Woodmead. I believe that's the Woodmead Mall, if my memory serves me.
iqhubeke njalo ke imoto iyeze iyofika eWoodmead. Uthi uyacabanga ukuthi bekade kuse-Woodmead Mall.
Yeah, Woodmead Retail Park, my Lord.
kuse Woodmead la kuthengiswa khona.
The vehicle is stationary there from 8:45 till 8:50, so it's just 5 minutes.
Yona imile laphayana kuleya ndawo yase Woodmead imizuzu emihlanu imoto.
Starting and then switching off again, and then at 9:26 the vehicle departs from the Woodmead Mall, gets onto the M1, becoming the N1 Benskuman, direction north through Midrand.
Kula imoto yona ke yeyaduma ke yahamba yangena kumgwaqo uN1 ithatha uBenskuman.
Vehicle then proceeds along the N1, past Centurion, past Waterkloof, passing the N4 and taking the Stormful off-ramp, going into the Valeria police station, arriving at the Valeria police station, stopping there at 9:58 model.
Kubeke njalo ke yona ize yafika esiphoyiseni saseValeria, ifika ima isikhathi uma sekusele imizuzu emibini ngaphambi kokuthi kushaye ihora leshumi.
The vehicle remained there till 6 minutes past 10 on the same day, the 16th of June.
Yona ke ime lapho kufikela kuze kushaye imizuzu eyisithupha ngemva kwehora leshumi,
whereby it departed from the Valeria police station. It got back onto the N1, turning a northerly direction.
iye yasuka ke yangena emgaqweni uN1,
joining the N4 Platinum Highway towards Rustenburg.
yona ke ithatha leyo mgwaqo uN4 iya ngase Rustenburg.
The vehicle then turned in at the Doringpoort off-ramp.
Yona ke yajika ke ngase off ramp yase Doringpoort,
and then went to the garage, if that is not, that's the engine garage that we previously referred to, the vehicle being at that garage at 18 minutes past 10.
yangena futhi ke egarage isikhathi uma ku 18 minutes past 10.
The vehicle remained there for 9 minutes, whereby it left at 10:27.
Ime khona lapho ke isikhathi esingalingana nemizuzu eyishagalolunye iyaze yazohamba ngemuva kokuthi ibekade imile khona lapho egarage.
The vehicle proceeded along the N4 towards the west direction, Rustenburg.
Iqhubeke njalo imoto ilibele ishayela ibhekane nendlela eya eRustenburg,
whereby at 10:52 it took the R512 into Brits.
uma ithi isikhathi 10:52 kula ukuthi yathatha umgwaqo uR52 la iya eBrett.
The vehicle was driving in Brits, not really stopping until 11:19.
Shayele khona lapho emgaqweni eBrett kufikela iyoma imizuzu uma ithi ishumi nesishagalolunye ngemva kwehora leshumi nanye.
The vehicle stopping near Stoffberg Road. Stoffberg Road, my lord, reference, it might be that it's now today a build-up area. At the time it was an open area.
Ima ke la ukuthi bekade isemgaqweni iStaffberg, la ukuthi bekade kungena lutho ngalesa sikhathi, kodwa mhlawumbe manje sekunento yakhiwe.
The vehicle was in the area for some time, and then it left at 12:36.
Yona ke ibe lapho isikhashanyana esithize yona yahamba ke ngo-12:36,
with the vehicle again stopping near Hendrik Verwoerd Avenue at 12:41.
yama ke futhi kwi-avenue ye Hendrik Verwoerd uma isikhathi sithi 12:41.
It looks like a shopping center, my lord.
Kubonakala ingathi bekade kuyindawo yokuthenga, i-shopping center.
The vehicle then left there 10 minutes later at 12:51.
Yaqhubeka ke ungoti uthi imoto iye yaqhubeka ihamba ngo-12:51.
It proceeded along the R511.
Yona ke ihamba kumgwaqo u-R511.
Then went back into Brits and stopped again near Stoffberg Road.
Yona yangena futhi eBreds yama futhi ngasemgaqweni iStaffberg.
It looks like a residential housing complex or something like that.
Kubonakala ingathi indawo yokuhlala abantu lapho.
Leaving that area at 13:24.
Hamba ke kuleya ndawo uma isikhathi kuyimizuzu emashumi amabili nane ngemva kwehora lokuqala,
making its way along the R512 back to the N4 Platinum Highway towards Rustenburg.
Yona ke ise ingena kumgwaqo u-R512 laphayana kumgwaqo osisa eRustenburg.
The vehicle then turned into Rustenburg, driving around in Rustenburg, proceeding to Freedom Park.
Yajika ke imoto ise ingena ngaseRustenburg yoqhubeka ize ifike eFreedom Park.
And the vehicle stopping in Freedom Park at 8 minutes past 3 in the afternoon.
Yama ke eFreedom Park uma imizuzu yayisishagalombini ngemva kwehora yesithathu.
My lord, I recall us having this image earlier as well, most likely the same environment.
Futhi ngiyakhumbula Nkosi enkantolo la kudwebe khona siye sayibona le ndawo le.
The vehicle was there for 2 minutes, then stopped again, and left the area at 26 minutes or 24 minutes to 3.
Imoto ibe lapho ke imizuzu emibini yaphinda futhi yashayela kuze isikhathi ngaleso bekade kwimizuzu emashumi amabini ngaphambi kwehora yesine.
The vehicle driving in the vicinity of Rustenburg, stopping at 7 minutes past 4.
Yaqhubeka yashayela njalo imoto ke khona laphayana eRustenburg ize ime ngemva ngemizuzu eyisikhombisa ngemva kwehora lesine.
Stopping near Boitekanelo Street in Bujanala.
Yona ke yama ke eBuitekanelo emgaqweni endaweni ebizwa iBujanala.
Lord, it looks like a residential area.
Bonakala ingathi indawo yokuhlala abantu.
The vehicle then started again there 25 minutes odd later.
Yaduma futhi imoto ngemva kwemizuzu emashumi amabini nanhlanu.
Was GPS unlocked for some time, and then at 12 minutes past 5 the vehicle is then recorded again at speed.
Yaphinda futhi yayenza lokuyana kwe-GPS unlocked kufikela ize ibonwa ishayela futhi ngemizuzu emihlanu ngemva kwehora lesihlanu.
The vehicle being still in the Rustenburg vicinity, Boitekanelo, not Boitekanelo Street, apologies, near the Platinum Highway, driving, taking an off ramp, being in the suburbs again. Then the vehicle was stationary for some time near Howick Avenue in Cashin. Just check what it is.
yasuka ke imoto yaze yathatha umgwaqo Platinum Highway la ikuthi ifike yabonakala futhi ngathi seyama.
My lord, shopping center.
Ibonakala futhi ima shopping center.
The vehicle then leaving that premises and driving back onto the Platinum Highway, direction Pretoria.
Yasuka ke kuleyo ndawo yangena futhi ku Platinum Highway ibonakala ingathi yayikade seya ePretoria.
Just before you proceed, Mr. Dupree, if I can take you back to 1508-59 when the ignition was off, you mentioned that it's the area that you previously referred to. Can you just put in record what that area is? 1508-59.
Yes, my lord, I've got it here. It's that address in Freedom Park, if not mistaken. Yeah, it's Freedom Park.
Lango 1508 bowuthe ukuphi konje uthi ile yandawo eyase Freedom Park.
That's the area.
Nayike indawo yakhona lapho kumfanekiso.
I recall this rugby field and the area just being, or soccer field most likely, and the area just being adjacent to it.
Uthi usakhumbula la kunendawo la kudlalelwa khona ibhola bese la ngase duze nayo kunale yandawo le athi uyayikhumbula.
Okay, thank you.
With the vehicle back on the N4 Platinum Highway, direction east this time, and exiting the Platinum Highway on the R512 towards Brits.
Uyake yona ingena emgaqweni futhi imoto iseyongena ke kumgwaqo R512 iya ngaseBrits.
The vehicle then driving in Brits, not stopping at this point in time, and then the vehicle turned from Brits, turned back onto the N4, my lord.
Yashayela ke imoto kusukela eBrits ishayela ingami ize iphinde izongena ku N4.
And then proceeded westly again in the direction of Rustenburg, my lord.
Kubeka manje futhi iseya ngasentshonalanga eRustenburg.
And at 7:09, the vehicle is stopping, switching off at on the side of the N4, which I believe is that garage filling station on the side of the road there.
Uma ke imizuzu seyishaka lolunye ngemva kwehora leshumi nesishaka lolunye kula imoto imakhona uthi uyabona laphayana ukuthi imoto yayikade ime ngaseduze kwala kuthelwa khona ipetrol.
My lord, the vehicle then again started there. 8 seconds later, switched off, and then at 40 minutes, so at 5 minutes after arriving, it then started and left the filling station.
Imoto ke iye yadumiswa futhi bese yahamba laphayana ngase garage.
Vehicle proceeded along Donkerhoek Road.
Iyaqhubeka ke ngakumgwaqo iDonkerhoek.
And it stopped at 1943.
Yama ke uma isikhathi sithi 1943.
That's the police station referred to earlier.
ime ke police station lesike sakhuluma ngayo ngaphambili.
So I recall it's the Pukeng.
Yes, which one?
Yes.
That I just want to confirm. It looks like, yeah, it's the SAPS Pukeng police station.
Uthi ke yabonakalisa ukuthi yayikade ime esiphoyiseni sasePhukeng.
The vehicle remained there from 7:45 roundabout till 9 o'clock that evening, my lord.
Ibonakala ke imoto ukuthi ime laphayana esiphoyiseni sasePhukeng imizuzu e15 ngoba ifike ngo3 kufikela ngo8.
And then the vehicle proceeded the direction it came, got back onto the M4 Platinum Highway direction Brits Pretoria.
Yaqhubeka ke ibuyela endleleni la ize ngayo ingena emgaqweni waseBrits iza ngasePretoria.
The vehicle left the Platinum Highway at 10:07.
Yaqhazuka ke kumgwaqo uPlatinum Highway ngemva kwemizuzu eyisikhombisa emveni kwehora leshume.
Joining the R513.
Yona ingena kumgwaqo uR513 ebusuku.
The vehicle proceeded along the R513 towards the Pretoria North suburb.
Qhubeke njalo ke ku-R513 iya Pretoria North.
And at 10:31 that evening, the vehicle is recorded as stationary at Benviljoen Street, which is most likely again the Pretoria North police station.
Ibonakala ke futhi imoto seyisemgaqweni iBelviljoen eyikuthi lo mgaqo loyo useduze nepolice station yasePretoria North.
There's an entry from Pretoria North police station at 22:42, and it reads Sergeant Mukhani of National Cold Case Unit with one suspect, Bongani Ntanzi. What did your comment be regarding the time?
My lord, the vehicle is stationary at the police station from 22:31. So it's within the time frame given, and the vehicle was there till 11:09.
Manje ke uzothini uma kubhalwe laphayana ukuthi uSergeant Mukhani yena ubhalwe ukuthi uye wafika esiphoyiseni sasePretoria ngo-42:10 uthi yebo lokho kuyavela nalana ngoba imoto ibonisa ikade iqinyiwe ngaleso sikhathi ilaphayana esiphoyiseni sasePretoria.
My lord, the vehicle then at 11:09 that evening started from the vicinity of the Pretoria North police station.
Ngemveni kwemizuzu eyishagalolunye emveni kwehora lesishagalolunye imoto yona iye yadumiswa.
Proceeded back onto the N4 Platinum Highway, joining the N1 in a southerly direction.
Iye yona yaqhubeka ke ibuyela emgaqweni uN4,
and then proceeding along the N1 up to Zambezi.
qhubeke njalo ke uN1 iya ngaseZambezi.
The vehicle then going under Zambezi Bridge and back onto the N1 traveling north.
Yangena ke ngaphansi kwebroqo laseZambezi ibuyela ngase N1.
Proceeded back to the N4.
Qhubeka futhi ibuyela kumgwaqo uN4.
Was stationary for a while at 23:43. So just to 12, the vehicle was stationary at that refilling station or fuel station at the Doornpoort toll plaza.
Iye yama futhi laphayana egarage uma uqeda kudlula i-toll plaza yase-Doornpoort yama isikhashanyana khona lapho.
With the vehicle leaving that facility 5 minutes later,
Yahamba ke ngemva kwemizuzu emihlanu,
making another U-turn by taking the off-ramp going over or under the road and back in an easterly direction.
Yona ke yabuya futhi yabuyela labe kade iya khona ngokuthi ihambe phezulu noma ngaphansi khona kuwo lo mgwaqo lowo.
Back onto the N1 and at 23:59 is the last time the vehicle reported on the 16th of June, my lord, while being on the N1 in the vicinity just past the Zambezi toll gate in the direction of in the southerly direction.
Yona ke imoto iyaqhubeka kanjalo kufikela umzuzu ngaphambi kwehora le-12 kulayo ukuthi iye yaphelela khona ngelanga le-16 June 2020.
That is the last time the vehicle reported on the 16th November.
My colleague Advocate Ngomezulu has requested you to go through the data of the 21st of June 2020. Do you have it?
21st, my lord. Luckily, I anticipated questions like these, so I got the data, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Uthi ke njengoba ningizuma nithi ngize ngamanye ama-date bekade ninganginikanga wona, ngenhlanhla ngizilungiselele, nginalo ulwazi lalawo malanga. Manje ubaba uMngomezulu bekade sibheke ilanga lange-21.
Will you be able to go through the data in the next 10 minutes or so?
I don't know how much data there is, but let's give it a go. I'll try, my lord. The vehicle started again at that area where the flats is at 6 minutes to 11 on the morning of 21st, my lord.
Iqale ukuduma ke ngemizuzu eyisithupha ngaphambi kwehora lesihlanu ekuseni ke khona lapho la emafletini.
The vehicle then proceeded driving, and the first stop for the day being at 9 minutes past 11 near 12 Boundary Road in Rubel, Johannesburg.
Qhubeka ke imoto yashayelwa kufikela ize ifika e12 Boundary Road eRubel in Johannesburg.
It being something like a residential area, my lord, nothing familiar to me.
Ibonakala leyo ndawo njengendawo la kuhlala abantu, yena uthi akayazi leyo ndawo.
20 minutes later, the vehicle started at the same location.
Ngemva kwemizuzu emashumi amabini imoto iye yaduma futhi kuyo leyo ndawo.
Moved just down the road in Louis Botha Avenue, and was stationary again.
Yaqhubeka khona kulo mgwaqo iLouis Botha Avenue yama futhi.
Just checking the nothing particular that I can point out as being something looks like business/residential areas.
Khona lapho eLouis Botha ayikho into ethize eyangakhuluma ngayo ngoba kubonakala ingathi indawo la kuthengiswa khona noma indawo yokuhlala.
The vehicle then again is stationary at a Caltex service station.
Yama ke futhi imoto eCaltex egarage.
from 18 minutes to 12 till 12:05.
Yona
It was
ke
at that Caltex garage.
ime kusukela isikhathi uma kuyimizuzu eyishumi nesishiyagalombili ngaphambi kwehora lesishumi nambili ukuyofika emizuzwini emihlanu ngemva kwehora ishumi nambili.
The vehicle then drives a bit and does about just almost around the block, my lord. It went down the street and came back onto the garage again.
Imoto ishayele yasuka egarage ngena komunye umgwaqo yabuyela khona egarage futhi.
And then from there proceeded back to the flats, but never switched off, and left from there onto the R25, onto the N3, travelling in a southerly direction.
Yabuyela futhi laphayana emafletini mayiqeda yabuyela emgaqweni iqhubeka.
The vehicle proceeded along the N3 all the way where it took the Heidelberg off-ramp.
Qhubeke njalo ayinyathelela umshayeli kufikela ize iyofika kumgwaqo eyo Heidelberg.
And it turned into an easterly direction and joined Blackheath Road.
Yajika ke ise ingena kumgwaqo obizwa iBlack Roof Road.
The vehicle proceeded along Blackheath Road, which becomes a different road referred to as Rhoqo Street.
Qhubeke njalo ke isuka ngapha kumgwaqo iBlack Reef iyongena emgaqweni iRhoqo.
The vehicle then was in the Thokoza vicinity.
Yona iye yafika ke endaweni yaseThokoza.
Where the vehicle was driving slowly but never stopped.
Imoto yayikade ihamba ingasagijimi manje kodwa ayizange ime.
And the vehicle then got back onto Rhoqo Road, then again turned onto Van Dyke Road.
Qhubeke njalo khona kuloya mgwaqo iRhoqo iyaphinda yangena ku Van Dyke,
traveling east in Van Dyke Road, and then again getting off Van Dyke Road and going into an area referred to as Klippoortjie.
Yona ke iqhubeke njalo kuwo lo mgwaqo Van Dyke yaze yafika kumgwaqo obizwa iKlippoortjie.
At 20 to 3 the afternoon, my lord, the vehicle is stationary near Lambrach Road in Groenweyvelde in Ekurhuleni.
Emini ke uma kusele imizuzu emashumi amabili ngemva kwehora lesithathu kulayo ukuthi imoto iyabonakala ibe kade imile khona ngale Ekurhuleni.
My lord, looking like a residential area.
Kubonakala ingathi indawo yokuhlala.
The vehicle was stationary for some time at that particular address from 20 to 3 till 3:05.
Ibonakele leyo moto imile isikhashanyana ukusukela imizuzu emashumi amabili ngaphambi kwehora lesithathu ukuyofika imizuzu emihlanu ngemva kwehora lesithathu.
And at 3:05 the vehicle left the area, got back onto Van Dyke Road, back onto the N3, this time travelling along the N3 in a northerly direction.
Yasuka ke imoto yangena kumgwaqo uN3.
At the Elands interchange, the vehicle then turned towards the N12.
Laphayana ku Elands interchange kulayo ukuthi imoto iye yangena ku N12.
The vehicle proceeded along the N12 all the way to the South Gate area.
Qhubeke njalo ayishayela umshayeli yaze yafika South Gate.
Switching off at the South Gate Mall
Wayicima ke mayefika South Gate Mall
at 25 minutes to 4 on the afternoon of the 21st of June, my lord.
Uyicime ke uma kusele imizuzu ema-25 ngaphambi kwehora lesine nge-21 zika June 2020 South Gate Mall.
At 12 minutes past 4, the vehicle left the South Gate Mall.
Imizuzune eyishumi nambini ngemva kwehora lesine kulaye ukuthi yasuka lapha South Gate Mall,
with the vehicle proceeding to 9 Guy Gibson Avenue in Ayrton, where the vehicle stopped at 1616. This place now being familiar as a SAPS facility, my lord.
Yaqhubeka ke yafika yama lapha esiphoyiseni nomboro u9 Guy Road lapha yama ke uma isikhathi sithi 1616.
And then at 17:36, about 20 minutes later, my lord, the vehicle started but remained in the area and left the area at 17 minutes past 6.
Yaduma ke imoto kodwa ilibele imile khona lapho yazosuka ngemva kwemizuzu eyishumi nesikhombisa emveni kwehora lesithupha ntambama.
When leaving the Ayrton area, the vehicle got back onto the Mike 1.
Uma seyisuka lapha eAyrton iye yangena emgaqweni uM1,
going past the M2, proceeding along the M1.
iqhubeka ingena kuM2 iqhubeka khona lapha kuM1,
and then getting off the M1 and proceeding on Houghton Drive.
yaqhubeka ke yaqhezuka ke kuM1 ise ingena emgaqweni Houghton Drive.
And then at 18:36, so just past 25 to 7 the evening of the 21st, the vehicle switched off near 22 Bedford Road in Yeovil.
Yacima ke imoto endaweni yaseYeovil uma kushaya imizuzu eyishumi nantathu nesithupha ngemva kwehora lesithupha ntambama.
The area not having any particular reference to me at this stage, my lord.
Leya ndawo kakade kungena lutho ngaleso sikhathi.
The vehicle was there from 1836 to 1859.
Imeke imoto kufikela kushaye umzuzu ngaphambi kwehora lesikhombisa ntambama.
Leaving the area, traveling along Louis Botha Road and stopping at 7 minutes past 7.
Qhubeke njalo ke ihamba ngalomgwaqo uLouis Botha yona yama ke ngemva kwemizuzu eyisikhombisa emveni kwehora lesikhombisa.
At an area looks like a shopping center, my lord.
Ibonakala futhi ingathi ima endaweni la kuthengiswa khona.
Please, after Mr. Dupre, let's call it a day. We will continue tomorrow.
Kuthiwa ke asimise la soqhubeka futhi kusasa ngoba phela kusasa lisekho.
My lord, it is in the interest of the sport that I finish sooner than later. So what I had scheduled, I can move, my lord.
That's all. I appreciate it.
Inkosi yenkantolo iyambuza ukuthi kusasa ukhona uthi mina inkosi yenkantolo uma ingidinga ngingayenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngibe khona. Lokhu bengihlelele elakusasa ngikakususa ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe la enkantolo. Nkosi yenkantolo ithi iyakubonga.
Okay, we are here until 10 tomorrow.
Ningasukuma ke madoda. Sasa ngo 10 siyabuya khona la enkantolo.